Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to upgrade iOS 18 beta from iOS 17 beta. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down little bit and tap General. Then tap Software Update. Right now I am using iOS 17 Developer Beta. Beside Beta Updates, tap iOS 17 Developer Beta. Here you will see iOS 18 Developer Beta. Select iOS 18 Developer Beta. Then tap Back button on top left. Here you will see iOS 18 Beta option. Tap Update Now. Enter your iPhone passcode to confirm it's you. This will request your update. You will see update requested. About 30 minutes remaining. This will start downloading iOS beta software updates. About 1 minute remaining. Preparing updates. Your phone will restart and it will start installing new updates. After some time you will see hello screen. Welcome to iPhone. That's it. 18 developer beta updated. So these are the steps to upgrade iOS 18 beta version. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.